Welcome to a Trader's Journal. What's going on, traders from all around the world? Let's go ahead and check out ticker symbol ARIS, ARI Network Services. And what we're going to do is we're looking for a long entry on this one. I got an alert for it. Let's go and pull it up on a weekly chart, shall we? Here's the weekly chart, and what we're going to do here is just get some longer term viewpoints and slap a line chart on this one as well. And what you can see is that ticker symbol ARIS has really had a big sell-off from the early to mid 1990s. Here's your little tech bubble action right there, and we've really stabilized. Now the good news is, since we have stabilized really for honestly the last 15 years, you can see some very slow growth from this computer technology stock. It looks like it has relatively been making some higher highs and higher lows. So let's go ahead and drop a support line in. This is a price where stocks has find more buying pressure than selling pressure from either banks or companies, investors, and that would be about right down there, about 5 cents. And here's the next one at about $2.82, and here's going to be actually one of our bullish targets right about there at $6.93. So this is the weekly chart. So now we're going to zoom in here to the candlestick chart, and on the weekly you can see some volume is coming in as of right now. Got some good volume profile. So here's your volume spikes of buying. This kind of looks like a little bit of a cup and handle type of pattern, if you will. So in this particular situation, we're going to be looking again for a long entry. And depending on if you have done any fundamental research on this one, you're more than welcome to determine how aggressive you want this trade to be. If you want it to be a longer term play or a shorter term play. So here's going to be your stops. I will go ahead and write this in. So this is going to be a longer term stop. So longer term stop. So this is going to be, if you're looking at this trade, looking to be in this trade for years, I would say, honestly, it could be, because it could be a while. So that one's going to be down there. And then here's the daily chart. So I'm back over to the daily chart. 329 looks pretty sufficient for a shorter term trade. So go ahead and put this one in here. Shorter term stop. Shorter term. And this is going to be months. You're not looking to be in the trade too massively long, just months at a time potentially. So here's going to be the buying location at $4.22. $4.22, and we got some targets up there at $6.93. Here's the exponential moving averages on ARI. They are crossing, so they do look a little bit bullish. So here's our plan from this situation: is really just ask yourself, okay, what risk profile do I want to have on this trade? That's going to be your main question at this point, aka how much do I want to lose and how long do I want to be in the trade? So answer yourself those questions. Once you say, all right, I want to lose $1,000 on this trade, for example, $1,000 is going to be your risk, not your investment. So $1,000, if we're wrong on ticker symbol ARIS, and as you guys know, going through some of the Trader Journal's webinars and videos, it's about a 50% win-loss ratio in stocks. Our objective is to mitigate risk, right? So $1,000, that's how much we're willing to lose on this particular trade. $4.22 is going to be our limit buy, meaning we want to snag this one as and if it pulls back. So there's our limit buy at 422. 422 minus our shorter term stop of 329 comes up with 93 cents. The bigger picture, 422 minus the stop of $2.25 comes up with $1.97. So depending on your time frame, you take 1,000 and divide it by one of those numbers. So 1,000 divided by 93 cents. 1,000 divided by 93 cents equals 1,075 shares. 1,075 shares. And the other one, of course, again, just simple math, 1,000 divided by $1.97 is 507 shares. So that way you can mitigate your risk and keep your risk to $1,000. You know exactly how much you're going to lose on this trade if it does not go as expected. And ultimate target for this particular trade is 693. 693, right about there. There's your target. Now, for my longer term traders, obviously the risk reward is not as grand. So if you're looking to be in this trade for a long time, probably want a little bit better of a risk profile. So here is on a daily chart for, this is a monthly chart. For my longer term traders, we can take this support line up and move it to the next target of about $10.43. So that's your risk profile here. You still don't want to take some position off the table at that target and the next position off the table at that target, 1043. So that's my analysis on ARI. Thanks so much for watching a Trader's Journal, and have an amazing day.